Hi everyone, I'm Debbie and I'm from Southern Delight. Today I'm going to be assembling this beautiful fall wreath for you. I'm going to walk you through step by step to show you how to assemble this. These are some of my favorite wreaths to do because they're the quick grapevine wreaths, and you just have a bunch of little things that you kind of just assemble together and wire in there. It is very easy to assemble, and it usually takes under an hour to do. And this particular wreath only costs $35 to make. I happened to catch an excellent deal today at Hobby Lobby. They had their 40% off of all of their Floral Picks and flower arrangements and little things like that that you could use. Great sale. Michael's is also having a wonderful sale right now. If you don't want to use those two stores, you can always use the Dollar Tree. They always have some similar products to bring the price down even more. And you don't have to use a wreath that's actually this big. This wreath is actually, it is 18 inches across, 24 inches down, and it's one of the oval wreaths instead of the round one. And I just liked it because it's a little bit bigger and can kind of make a bigger statement. And for what I have going on that I'm going to show you in a couple of other DIY for fall, and I'm going to be doing several other little projects, but this is the first of them. This was the centerpiece, so these are always the funnest, and they kind of set the tone for everything. But I'm going to walk you through step by step. Using a few items here, and you can pick and choose any patterns that you would like to use of the sprays. I mean, they have, like in the pumpkins, they have lighter color ones that are white. You know, they've got some that are a little bit more bright orange. You can also pick up some sprays at Walmart that are a little less expensive, and they make just, the wreaths you make with those are just as pretty. I'm just real fond of this kind of rustic look, and I find that right now they've got a lot of that in there at Hobby Lobby. So, and of course I'm going to put my initial on it. We're P's. I'm going to have to spray paint that, so I've got some spray paint here, and you'll need some floral wire and then also some wire cutters. So what I'm going to do is show you how to assemble. Okay, for these sprays, I think what I'm going to do here is clip it about midway. You can see here I'm going to take half. We're going to clip these ends off right here, like so. I'm going to take this wire here. Find the end of it. Clip off some of it. I'm going to wire it here, and I'm probably going to put some wire in on this top there. That's what we're going to do. Same thing on this side. We're going to take and wire this in here, and then wire it in up there snugly. And then as for these pieces, we're going to take this piece, lay it here. I'm going to leave these long. They're easy to wire that way, and take and wire it in here and there. And this one I'll probably take, and a lot of times it's real easy if you tuck it down in there like so, and then just bend it up. And then a lot of times I'll go back and put a piece of wire there. And it makes it easy also because if you have the bow, you can take the bow and kind of tie it up underneath there. It makes kind of a little U shape coming back up in here, and it makes it easy to assemble the bow there on the bottom as well. Alright, I'm going to take a short break, and I'm going to go ahead and start wiring these in there, and then I will show you the full assembly in just a second. This is the finished product here. This wreath took me probably under an hour to assemble, and I added up the total cost of everything. Like I said, I caught this super sale at Hobby Lobby today. They had a 40% off sale on a lot of their floral items. $35. Can you believe it? That's all it took, in under an hour. And I love doing, like I said, this was one of the quicker wreaths to do. And I love to do floral arrangements, and this had a lot of just taking those picks and tucking them in. But that is it. And if you like what you see, like I said, put some likes or comments below. And if you have some ideas for me or some new tricks, let me know. And because I definitely love to hear from you. And then also, if you will click that subscribe button below, that way when I do some other DIY crafts, you'll be alerted. A little bell will go off, and then you'll know when I put out a new video. But what I'm going to be showing you next is I will be doing my entire front porch. So I've got some other little crafty things that I'll be doing next time. But that is it. Until next time.